Hi, I'm Kaleb Labillois. I was born and raised in Victoria, and I do have cerebral palsy and autism, and so I've been dealing with those disabilities for my entire life. But I've recently come to terms with how to deal with them when I entered post-secondary, and having two great friends, Tasha and Kyla in this case, that helped to make me recognize that and help me deal with whatever challenges I've encountered. A lot of my teachers would say I've gotten more confident. Well, I mean, my friends also notice I've gotten a lot more confident with things, and much more willing to try new things, even if at first I'm like, I don't know, I really don't know. For me in post-secondary, having friends who understand my disabilities and my limits and what I can do has really helped instill more confidence in me than I ever would have thought. If I were to go back in time and tell my younger self that, hey, you're in college now and you've made friends of two people who very much understand your disabilities, and they have disabilities themselves, and you all can thrive together, and I think younger me would be very happy to hear that, especially if he were to hear that later in your 20s you've conquered so many fears and you've done a lot to better yourself.